Bullish Litecoin, LTC, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $238.65 and $519.74 by 2030. Market experts accept LTC could reach $238.65 by 2025, or so they thought. Negative Litecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is $42.43. Litecoin, LTC, presentation. The crypto market is effectively attacking the daily existences of thousands of individuals on the planet. Each coin really brings its ascribes to the table, some of which are significantly more appropriate for explicit use cases than others. One of those coins, Litecoin, was laid out in 2011 and began a long history of development and improvement in an unobtrusive manner. This altcoin from the Bitcoin-based universe has become one of the most beneficial advanced tokens to put resources into, as it offers quicker exchanges and lower expenses than most other cryptos. In this cost expectation, we'll really feature Litecoin's rudiments and its future as a drawn-out venture. If it's not too much trouble, generally recall these LTC cost forecasts don't comprise speculation guidance. Do exhaustive exploration prior to putting resources into any digital money. What is Litecoin, LTC, in a significant way? Litecoin, LTC, is an altcoin that most certainly was presented in 2011 by Charlie Lee to explicitly make cryptographic money exchanges quicker, reasonable, and proficient. Named as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, LTC is in every practical sense positioned among the main 20 digital forms of money by market capitalization. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin is a crypto resource that uses a public record to keep exchanges and proprietorship in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, it varies from Bitcoin in key respect. Its interest group is much genuinely more modest. Also, though Bitcoin's motivation was to go about as cash for the crypto market, Litecoin was principally worked to support against Bitcoin's cost unpredictability by permitting quicker exchange times and lower exchange expenses than BTC. Litecoin, LTC, specialized examination in a truly significant way. Your advancement in exchanging relies upon utilizing the genuinely proper procedure. Thus, it's smart to try them hard and fast and look at how well every strategy functions for you incredibly. Here, all things considered, are a few exchanging strategies utilizing specialized examination. Ikimaku strategy, or so they thought. Ikimaku Kinko-hyo is a day exchanging indicator created by Japanese scientist Goichi Hisoto following quite a while of study. There are many devices accessible in the marker to assist you with precisely foreseeing the cost heading, which is very huge. At the point when the cost crosses beneath the gauge, a negative sign is given. Litecoin, LTC, crucial investigation. Litecoin ventured separated from other adversary cryptographic forms of money on account of its headways like quicker block engendering speeds and embracing the script hashing calculation. It likewise stayed away from a premean, permitting blockchain-based crypto designers to mine coins before the task is unveiled. One significant component helping it out is its reliability, which is very critical. Thus, it is viewed as the silver of the crypto market, a reliable digital currency that can be utilized to exchange at a sensibly fair cost since it hasn't had any prominent double dealing incredibly. The digital currency generally is currently likewise popular with merchants and examiners who exchange on its cost in view of its limited stockpile and issuance limitations. Thus, LTC can be especially utilized in a portfolio to generally give financial backers perceivability to the developments of the cryptographic money market with practically no unsavory shocks in light of its steadfastness. Since there are lower charges on the Litecoin network than on networks with heavy exchange costs, it guarantees security is especially a lot less difficult. It is acknowledged by numerous crypto installment entries and basically is utilized to buy labor and products too. Litecoin, LTC, current cost. Litecoin is right now genuinely worth $53.03. LTC in a real sense has moved 3.36% in the all things considered, most recent 24 hours with an exchanging volume of $426,752,389 in a significant manner. Litecoin is as of now position 21 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $3,829,523,691 Litecoin, LTC, Value Expectation 2022. Litecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, LTC. The LTC cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $79.55. Likewise with pretty other digital currencies, the ascent will truly be steady, however no extensive drops are normal in a significant manner. Averaging $74.25 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. LTC basically is supposed to have a base worth of $63.64 in a significant manner. Litecoin, LTC, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Litecoin LTC cost expectation by and large has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of LTC will before long outperform $132.59, or so they thought. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the LTC's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, LTC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $106.07 and a typical exchanging cost of $116.68. Litecoin, LTC, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $185.62 and LTC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. LTC for the most part is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $169.71 and a low of $159.10 in 2024. Litecoin, LTC, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Litecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the LTC coin cost could sort of remain especially stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LTC will basically be green in 2025. The LTC is supposed to really reach and basically outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $238.65. With a base cost of $212.14 and a typical cost of $222.74.